Hello guys, today we're gonna check the capacity for each washing program in the washer Toshiba TW. So the first one, in the cotton you can load maximum 9 kilograms of clothes. In the grade waves we have a 4.5 kilogram. For the mix 9 kilograms. For the rising and spinning 9 kilograms. For just spinning 9 kilograms. Self-cleaning, so we can skip it. The steam cleaning is about the 4.5 kilogram. The sport clothes, there we have a 4.5 kilogram. For the wool 2 kilograms. For the eco mode 9 kilograms. And the washing the 45 minutes 2 kilograms, and quick 50 minutes 2 kilograms. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.